everybody, this is Modal Engineering Design Services. We are a team of professional designers and engineers related to Abaqus CAE, FEA, Ansys, SolidWorks, and many more simulations. We have been working at different platforms since 4 years with good reviews. If you have any task or simulation related to any object, feel free to contact us. Following are a few areas that we work with, but if you have any special requirements, we will also work on them. Stress analysis, finite element analysis, FEA torque analysis, Abaqus simulation, deformation analysis, dynamic, implicit and explicit, thermal analysis, structural analysis, linear and nonlinear, linear and nonlinear stress analysis, topology optimization analysis, modal analysis, harmonic analysis, acoustic analysis, and all other work related to Abaqus CAE, Ansys, and FEA will be welcomed. For more details, please visit our website and Facebook page. www.modal-engineeringdesignservices.com. Thank you.